Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data packs in your Minecraft server. Data packs are fantastic tools for customizing your game, adding new features like custom crafting recipes, unique advancements, or even entirely new game mechanics. They offer a lightweight way to modify your server without complex plugins. We'll cover everything from finding the right pack to getting it up and running smoothly, ensuring your server offers a fresh and exciting experience for everyone. Let's dive in. First, let's find some awesome data packs. Websites like CurseForge and Planet Minecraft are excellent starting points, offering thousands of options. When browsing, always check the data pack's version compatibility. It's crucial for smooth operation. Look for packs that explicitly state support for your server's Minecraft version. Also, take a moment to read the description thoroughly for any specific requirements or installation notes. This preparation saves a lot of troubleshooting later on. Happy hunting! Now let's get those data packs onto your server. First, access your server's main directory. Inside, you'll find a folder named Data Packs. Simply drag and drop your downloaded data pack, usually a zip file, directly into this folder. Do not extract it. Once it's in place, head into your game. As an operator, type /datapack enable pack name or simply /reload in the chat. This command will activate the new content, bringing your customizations to life. It's that straightforward. Finally, let's verify everything is working and troubleshoot any hiccups. After installation, use the /datapack list command in game to see all active packs. Look for the name of your newly installed pack. If it's not there, double-check its placement in the data packs folder and ensure it's the correct version for your server. If you encounter issues, try restarting your server or testing packs individually. With a little patience, you'll have your server running perfectly with all your desired customizations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.